If you're finding it hard to start a YouTube channel, this video will help you a lot. You need to start because nobody cares whether you have the best camera, good lighting. What people care about is the content. It's all about what you can do for people, not you. It's not about you. So get started. Please wake up and get started because that's all you need. You don't need to do anything fancy like the Apple Store right here. Just passing by the Apple Store right now, and it's expensive these days, but it's cool. Use your basic phone and get started. So just get the right script, the right content, know what your viewer is looking for. These are things you should be thinking about. Let's say you want to start a weight loss channel. If your viewers care mostly about making money online, for sure your content will not get anywhere because that's not what your potential clients are looking for it to. So, in simple put, know what the people want and serve them. So, it's early in the morning here. I'm trying to get myself some smoothies for breakfast, especially tea or coffee with some cookies or treats like that. So I got my coffee right here. I got some croissant. It's an old plain fashion. That's what I like. I was saying you don't need a fancy camera, fancy equipment, like good lighting and stuff like that. You have to get started. Just people don't care much. All they care about is what you can do for them, what's in for them. Because that's what marketing is all about. What your viewer can get out of this video. So please don't stress it up. Some few things. So for instance, to get started, you need to ask yourself what you are good at. So are you good at cooking? Are you good at makeup, like fashion, like sports, crochet? If you like to talk about this random stuff, trending stuff, or trending topics, just mount the camera and get started. That's one thing I like about podcasts. But make sure you come out with facts or evidence. Don't just talk, because people can sue you, especially when you're talking about a product or a service that the brand name or the brand image is on the line. Then you have to be very, very careful because it takes time to build a brand. Now, apart from that, the next thing you need is your script. You don't even have to script it really. First, you need to write your ideas down. When you get your ideas, then you can put it in the bulletin form or line. So you don't necessarily have to write everything. Just let's say, for instance, like I'm doing right now, I want to talk to you about YouTube. Then what I need to do is write, the topic is about YouTube, how to get started. Second, what you need is script it down, get your camera, good microphone. So when you list all your stuff, your points that you want to talk about, then you just have to do a little research, or if you have skills, you don't need much research, and just go in, all right? But it's always good to talk about something and you have a lot of proof or facts and stuff like that. For instance, I'm talking to you about YouTube. I have YouTube channel, so for sure I know what I'm talking about, right? So that's how it works. So after your outline, then the most important thing that I know a lot of people don't include. Let me open my coffee case so you're gonna get a bit cold because it's too hot. And let me push my camera back a bit. So the most important thing that people don't talk about is self-confidence. And that's the main reason why people are finding it difficult to start or to get started or to even create a YouTube channel. And you'll be surprised that a lot of people have created the channel and there's no video at all. Now, so after getting the confidence, and in terms of confidence, one thing you have to realize is be you. That's what it is. Just be you and say it. Even if you have to take it 2 times, 3 times, 10 times, just be you. And after, edit what you think you don't want people to know or see. So confidence, because without confidence, you can never do anything. Without confidence, you can't achieve anything. You can't do anything, nothing. And it starts from the mind. Whatever you put your mind to, leave it or not, you can do it. And don't be shy. you get better in the process. It wasn't easy when I first started my YouTube channel. At first, I was creating faceless videos, but if you want people to connect with you better, that's the best way to do it is by showing your face. But if you can start with faceless videos, and when you gain confidence, you can show yourself on the camera. So another thing is my phone to create your videos. Trust me, I've been doing this since 2019 and I've never used a digital camera, but my phone. I started with Samsung Galaxy Note 4, right? And after Note 10, then now I'm using a Samsung Galaxy Ultra, which is the 24. So you don't really need a fancy camera to get started. Just start. Use your phone. And to edit, you can edit using free apps on your phone, CapCut, InShot, and all these fancy apps out there. I started with Filmora. I'm still using Filmora alongside CapCut. And after you need to create your thumbnails, and that one also, you don't have to do something fancy. Just your picture, throw it at the right corner, and just think about what you want people to get out of this video, and use that as your test. So in this video that I'm creating, it's about how to start a YouTube channel for beginners. Why start a YouTube channel now? Because the message is start now. So that's what I'll put on the thumbnail. All right, so something like that. And after, you have to upload it depending on the type of internet speed you have. It might take long, it might take less time, but please upload it. Just be patient. And after, whilst it's uploading, start optimizing your video title, your description. And with the description, don't stress it. Please don't stress it. Just write whatever you think is okay for people to know. It helps with the algorithm. So if it's about getting started on YouTube, you can say how to start a YouTube channel for beginners, even if you don't have an experience. Then I'll add, you need to watch this video now to get started. Or after watching this video, trust me, you start your YouTube channel ASAP. So stuff like that. Then after, if you want to sell something or direct people to your website, that if you have a website, or in my case, I'm selling affiliate products, I'll add the links or the affiliate descriptions in there. But please don't add affiliate link that prompts people to enter their information right away. There are some links that when you click on, right away it's sending you to a page that people have to start entering their information. No, don't promote affiliate links like that, especially, what do you call it, CPA marketing product. Alright, but that's just by the way. Now, then once everything is optimized, the next thing to do is to post it. Alright, put it on public and post it. And that's it. And believe me, some of the things that you are worried about will be your viewers' favorites. Things that you think are not perfect in the video are the things that people like. And you'll be shocked. When you check your comment section later on, you realize from the question that people are asking or the compliment that you get out of that video. So please don't stress it out. Don't stress it. Just get started. Just do it. Just do it. That's all you got to do. Just do it. The most important thing is getting started. And after posting it, what next? Please don't go and be checking who watching my videos. How many views do I have now? Oh, people are not watching it. I'm so sad. I'm so depressed. No, you need to keep posting. Before you start, I would advise you have about, let's say, 3 to 5 videos and just post everything as you go. Then every other day, just post, okay? And don't be caught up with YouTube posting schedules and stuff like that. I was into it from the beginning, but I realized it's good, but it's not a big deal. Oh, you schedule yourself to be posting every Monday and Thursday or Monday and Wednesdays, and sometimes when you don't have the time, you still want to do it and you'll be stressing yourself out. No, you don't do that. Just post. If you have the time, create videos and post it. If you don't have time, who cares? Just do you. Post whenever you feel like you can post. So YouTube is not stressful. People think the only problem I have with YouTube is editing. I don't like video editing, trust me. And I don't want to give my video to people to edit. No, because I want to edit the video myself and add B-rolls wherever necessary to do so. Alright, so it depends. You can do whatever you want, but edit it yourself. And that's how you learn. Because if you don't edit videos yourself, trust me, who's gonna do it for you? How will you learn? And please stick to your niche. So if your channel is about make money online, please create videos relating to big money online business, digital marketing and stuff like that. Please don't go and be throwing food, fashion, your travel stuff. You can do it sparingly here and there. It's cool, but don't be doing make money online the next day food, another time like your travels, your cars, and your fashion. No, don't be mixing things. That's why I think you can create about 50 channels with one email address. So just take note of that, all right? And apart from that, like I said, create more videos, post it, create more videos. That's how you're gonna win. I've been talking and talking, now my coffee is cold. So you need to create more videos. That's how you can win. Create more videos. But if you don't create videos, you're not going to know where you fall short or what you need to improve on. And also, you need to study your analytics. Pay close attention to your analytics. When you post a video, the first 72 hours, you need to study your analytics. Let's say every 6 hours or so, let's go in and study how the video is doing. Or at least every day, go to your analytics and study the video, how it's performing. So that's how you get to know what people like and what people don't like about that particular video. The number one thing out of this video is gather the confidence and get started. Confidence. It's so important. Your confidence will make you win in anything at all you put your mind to. Without confidence, you are twice a loser. Alright, so do it. And give people what they want, not what you want people to know. Give people what they want. And always try and solve problems. That's how you get views. And some videos, they will not do good, but don't worry. Other videos will do well, alright? So sometimes you have a video that is not doing well, but you'll be shocked to know that, let's say, someone will watch that video that is not doing well, and YouTube will suggest one of your videos that is doing well, or even you can add it in the description box or at the end of the video, and they'll watch it. And when they are into that video, they'll stay on your channel and search and watch more videos. All right, so no video is useless on YouTube. Every video is valuable. Every video is important, it's valuable, and it's good to go. That's why YouTube tests it. And also, I think, please try and promote your videos on social media. Don't rely solely on YouTube to promote your video for you. Try other social media networks, alright? Promote your videos. Please don't create videos you don't like, or don't start a channel that you are not into. Create videos or create a channel and talk about topics that you can't stop talking about, alright? Like topics that you think you can go on and on and on about. Create, even if you don't know what to talk about that particular topic, go to YouTube, go to Google, social media, find content relating to that topic that you are so interested about, alright? And just go deep on that particular topic, alright? So it's not easy, it's not complicated. And another thing that you should expect, but also don't be bothered when it happens, people are gonna troll you, especially your friends. People will discourage you because a lot of people don't understand that YouTube, social media is like the new real estate online. That is the way to go. You need these social media platforms to promote yourself, to promote your brand, to promote your business. So don't worry about people, keep grinding, and don't be watching YouTube videos that people are complaining. That's it for this video. And like I said, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.